Yeah, found this bloody thing. Found it on the side of the... Ah! Hey, you little... Sorry, excuse the language. Yeah, no. Broken wing, man. Bloody in that lagoon over there. Oh, not there, but it was on the trek. Ah! Ooh, you little... It's a vicious thing, bro. Yeah, this is it. She's a pretty big money. Yeah. She's a pretty big money and a vicious one too. Say hello, everybody. So I'll give it to the SPCA. I won't play. You. Stop it. Stop it, you little vicious. It's a vicious bloody thing. So yeah, it's got a broken wing, guys, so I'm gonna release it. Release the bloody thing. Oh no, sorry, ring the SPCA. So we'll call him Ryko number 2. Nero Ryko. Nero Ryko. We'll save your ass. We'll save your ass. Ne? We'll save your ass. So you can be free. So that's all I got to say. Archie. Archie.